Step 1. With the ladder lying flat on the ground, loosen the rope and extend the fly section by 1 rung. Step 2. Push down and rotate the strand grab hooks 90 degrees into the deployed position. Step 3. Place the ladder below the strand vertically where the work is to take place. Step 4. With the ladder vertical approximately 90 degrees with the ground and perpendicular to the strand, raise the fly section 2 rungs above the strand. The V-rung is not to be counted as a rung. Step 5. Lower the fly section until the hooks contact the strand. The weight of the ladder will cause the gate arms on the hooks to engage and secure to the strand. Visually confirm the gate arms have engaged. Do not lock the rung locks at this time. Step 6. Ladder angle is critical. Use the following method to properly erect the ladder. Stand in front of the ladder. Place your toes against the feet of the ladder. Extend your arms straight out. The palms of your hands should touch the base section rung at shoulder level. This will ensure the base of the ladder is positioned 1 foot back for every 4 feet of height as measured from the base to the strand. Note: while securing the ladder against and to a strand, the work angle may need to vary from the preferred angle by several degrees due to strand height and rung lock position. While moving the base of the ladder back to the preferred angle, if the rung lock is between rungs, then the rung lock should be positioned on the rung, which allows the ladder angle to be closest to the 4:1 ratio, or 75.5 degrees. Angles can be precisely measured using the NIOSH Ladder Safety app. Step 7. Lock the rung locks after determining work angle to the nearest rung position. After locking the rung locks, it is critical that the ladder base is not repositioned forward toward the strand. Step 8. Secure the remaining rope between the 3rd and 5th rung. Reconfirm the work angle by using the ladder setup method described in Step 6 or the NIOSH app. Step 9. Before climbing, visually inspect that the strand grab device is secured to the strand and the ladder locks are properly locked and the ladder is at the correct angle. If the gates of the strand grab are open, return the ladder back to its vertical position and restart, beginning at Step 5. Step 10. Carefully ascend the ladder and secure yourself with a safety strap. Use a top ladder strap to secure the ladder to the strand before performing any work. Step 11. Once the work is complete, remove the top ladder strand. Descend the ladder. Walk the ladder base forward to the vertical position. Untie and raise the fly section to 2 rungs above the strand. Step 12. Lower the fly section and secure with the rope according to your company's safety practices. If you need help, visit our website or call customer service.